how to get your Facebook ad approved. In today's session, I'm going to be answering your Facebook questions. I get so many questions, so super excited to do this. I'm going to be showing you some detailed questioning from one of my inner groups.
It's time for you to take your life to the next level. Awaken your entrepreneur so you can do the things that you want to do. Hi, my name is Ed J.C. Smith and I'm here to help you live life on your terms.
Thank you for coming to this video. Subscribe, make sure you comment below, let me know how you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. As always, I'm going to be jumping onto my laptop and I'll be going into detailed. Just a quick one, like really simple. You know, if you don't have Facebook ads set up right now, this is a must for you because it is one of the quickest ways to generate more clients into your business. The only way a business grows today is by getting what? More clients. That's it. If you get more clients to buy your products and service, to drive traffic to your stuff, that is the quickest way to generate more income. Okay, so let's get your ads approved. All right, let's jump down into my laptop and I'll show you some really quick ways in which you can do this. I've been running Facebook ads for the last 6-7 years. I've spent millions and millions on Facebook ads. I've generated it for our online programs, our events, our clients. I run a consultancy agency. I've got one of them for one funnel that did, over $1 million in just less than 7 months. So there's loads of content here. Let's go for it.
Okay, we're going to pump straight into my screen and I'm going to take this from one of my private groups, Taking Your Life to the Next Level. And this was an ad of one of my clients and she was having problems getting this. I haven't actually looked at it. It's the first time I'm looking at it. This is all I've got. Okay, this ad has marked low quality based on advertising policies. Let me give you a really quick rundown. Okay, first of all, the name of your business. Now this is UK Lash Studio Bar and Beauty. This is important. There's going to be no problems there. But if you are to get rich quick, or if you are, especially like the weight loss industries, in this title here, can you see where I'm going here? Right, UK, if the title of your page is, how to lose weight in 5 minutes, if anything is too time sensitive, then, that's going to be one of the major reasons that an ad isn't approved. Now, just to give you a heads up for any of your ads, you can just keep on testing and going over the same ad over and over again, and you can keep on reviewing it till it gets passed. So don't fret, it's never a problem, okay? I can't see all of the copy here. Now, what it says, we are updating our photos, videos, and need your lashes. If you have no eyelash extensions on currently and have been wanting, here's your chance to try them out. I would say if it sounds too much like, for example, if it's one of the biggest reasons that ads do not get passed is because it's linked to multi-level marketing, or it's not congruent. It's they don't want loads of spam on Facebook. So for what it's getting harder, the reason it's getting harder is because like all things, there's more people coming into the market. If you haven't run enough ads on your page, then you will get more bans. And now I've just learned this recently. I just went to my Facebook dude, and if you aren't running a monthly sort of campaign, your page will start reduce. You'll find it harder to get ads running, and also they may even shut your account down straight away because you're not using it on a monthly basis. So my recommendation is use your account on a monthly basis. So first of all, let's recap. Number one, the top line. Just be a clear call to action about what your business is. Ideally, take note on this, outcome for client. Okay, so UK Lash Studio and Beauty Bar, that's cool. But like, say for example, something that the client wants all the time. For example, if you're running confidence workshops, I had a client once who was like, the business is called Learn How to Fly. And I was like, what do you do plane things? Do you teach people how to fly a plane? She was like, no, we do confidence workshops. So I said, forget calling it that, just call it confidence workshops, because that's exactly what it is. Does that make sense? You wouldn't want a strap line at the top. It's not gonna make sense. That top line is a high priority and you must make sure it converts. In the copy here, that has to be related to again, an offer of some sort, like come in, we here at UK Lash, we just wanted to offer you a 20% discount on your first purchase, and we wanted you to, to take this offer, and then you've got this picture here. You got to make sure, here's the major reason that the ads get banned or they don't get approved is there's too much text in the picture. All right, so therefore when people say, oh, it doesn't matter, it does matter. What happens is it costs you more. Even if they let it go, it costs you more to serve that ad. You want to be the most cost effective, then make sure that you have 20% only text in that. And even if, like, for example, I've got some ads running right at the moment, and they, just because of the way the picture was taken, the lights in the background, they thought it was text. So that's kind of 3 key areas to how to get your Facebook ads approved. Make sure, okay, here's number 4. Make sure the ad, okay, lines straight, the landing page is the same as the ad. The more you can get, the ad aligned with the landing page, as in the ad, it's the same color, the same themes, the same thing. If an ad is talking about, lashes, then so should the landing page. But you'd be surprised at how many clients we get that the ad is offering something different to what is on the landing page. Does that make sense? You've got to keep people feeling like this is the same thing. How do you do that? The same colors, the same sorts of themes. If it's one sort of logo here and it's a different logo here, what happens is the client starts to distrust. All right, so it's building trust online by keeping congruency. Congruency is the same message throughout. Therefore, consistency in the message, same thing throughout. Does that make sense? Quick update on how to get your Facebook ads approved. Happy to give more videos on this. I've got I'm going to do one coming up, how to set your Facebook ads from start to finish. If you haven't started running Facebook ads to drive traffic for your business, you are missing out. It's still massively undervalued, as in the market. It's the most cost-effective way to drive people to your products and services. All right, and even if you don't think your product or service works yet, let me tell you, the quickest way to test it is to start driving traffic. It's the quickest way, because people, it's like driving a load of people to say, will you buy my stuff? And if a load of people say no, then that's the best thing ever, because you know that you need to adapt it, right? And so most people never actually do this step because they're too worried about whether people buy it or not. So let's do this, jump on. Some links below. If you want to join a live web class, I'm doing the 3 secrets to dominating Facebook ads, how to put an ad together, okay, that thing. And the 3 most people make a massive mistake, and thus they don't grow their ads correctly. I'm going to show you our £1 million campaigns, how we've been able to continually scale and grow whilst most people aren't doing that. What else? I've got a private group. If you want to join the group, there's a link below, and you can join Fix My Facebook Ads, which is just launching. So if you want to join onto that, please, by all means, jump in, and I'll look forward to spending time with you then. Right, that's it. Till next time, no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams, and I'll see you very soon.
Make your dreams a reality so you can have the choice, the freedom that you truly deserve. 10x your life, make a massive difference, build your business, and I'm with you every step of the way. So no matter what happens, you never give up on your dreams.